Hey guys, how you guys doing today? So I'm back again doing another reaction video to group CNCO. Basically, I believe this is a podcast interview that they did with someone. Let me see the person's name, where the page is at. But it's Nick Vial, and it's CNCO segment said, "Do you know me?" So hopefully YouTube won't block this, or the content creator won't restrict me from posting this on my video channel. So let's go, CNCO.
We're gonna play a game called Do You Know Me?
I know you guys see Zabdiel over there in the corner.
I'll be like, I'll just say CNCO because I'm not gonna say your names four times.
Okay,
but
Richard looks good right here.
And
I like it looks good right here.
It's real simple. Just say
I don't know,
you've done something you're
the
not.
other pictures that I saw,
if you have a story to tell by your answer, you're welcome to share. You don't have to. It's up to you.
Okay. Oh, Zabdiel looks so good. White tank top.
All right. So, do you know me with CNCO,
baby.
If you want to sing your answer too, it's also welcome.
Okay, show some little vocals. I like that idea.
Does CNCO, and we'll just go around the room. We'll start with Richard.
Oh, and myself as well.
Prefer sweet or savory? Sweet, like sweet or salty? Like
or
do you
sour,
yeah.
Sweet or sour? For me, I like it sweet. And then at the end, it is a tint of a little bit of sour. See what they say.
No, savory would be like,
like more
like garlic.
Garlic, yeah, like garlic savory,
Sweet
yeah,
or
like a whole, like a good meal, or do you like a good dessert?
I mean,
a meal.
Everybody likes a good dessert.
I don't.
Are you talking about food?
I'm talking about food, you know. I'm talking about food.
You have a relationship with your food.
Yo, but I prefer, to be honest, I'm not a sweet tooth.
Okay.
So I'll do a little bit more salty type,
Savory kind of.
Yeah, you know.
What's your favorite meal?
My favorite meal will be a Dominican food for sure.
100%.
Yeah, or Chinese food.
Yeah.
I like Chinese food.
You know, you guys
And
need
sushi.
to. How long are you in town?
Damn, what's my favorite meal?
For till Tuesday. Yeah.
You guys
Few
need to go
days.
to tell your manager or wherever.
Please.
Din Tai Fung at Century City Mall.
Okay.
Or the Americana.
Oh, she knows.
It's the best food.
Amazing. So we're going after
Take
this.
them to Din Tai Fung. Get the soup dumplings, the rice cakes.
Hey.
No, I want to go
cucumber
eat.
salad. Get the
Lost meat salad.
You're welcome.
I'm hungry now.
What about you, Chris?
I really like. I don't know if this is weird. I'm gonna just say it. I like to mix both flavors, not the garlic, not the garlic, but the salty and the sweet at the same time.
Yeah.
I don't know. Why
That's
you do
common.
it.
I agree, because I do like a little sweet and a little
like the
salty
glow
thing.
Exactly.
I love that.
But I really enjoy meals like him.
Okay.
I'm not like a how do you say it? Sweet tooth? Sweet tooth. Yeah, either.
I'm a sweet
tooth
person.
Sweet tooth.
Of course you are, Eric.
Like, sorry that
Zumba.
I was talking to Zabdiel yesterday. I first eat the dessert
And then the meal.
and then the meal.
That's weird.
Oh,
That's really weird.
That's really weird.
it's not weird.
But
It is not weird to
I know,
eat
it's
the
very
dessert and the meal first. It's just not the
savory.
norm.
Savory.
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 Yeah.
Savory.
For sure. For sure. For sure.
All right. I think I already know Zab's answer to this. But has CNCO had more alcohol than coffee?
Oh, I believe the alcohol.
This week, alcohol.
Alcohol.
100%. This week, 100%.
You guys have been
Of course.
enjoying the
Yeah,
LA
yeah,
life.
yeah.
Of course.
That
But
much
after
that-
this week, we will need more coffee.
Are you guys-
Yeah, we will need more coffee.
Yeah, for sure.
It's actually not too long ago.
It was just-
They can't drink too much coffee now because they need to savor their throats, their vocal cords. So not too much drinking, guys.
We already actually asked this heartbroken question. All right, here's the quiz. Here's
Hey.
the quiz. Can CNCO name
Ay, papa.
3 Shakespearean plays?
Shakespeare.
You guys familiar? You guys familiar with Shakespeare?
Yeah, but not.
not very
informed.
Not that crazy.
Come on, you guys can do one. What's the most popular?
Romeo and Juliet.
There you
for
go.
sure.
There's
Juliet,
one.
of course.
All right.
What
but-
else?
And this can be a team effort.
I know, of course, Romeo and Julieta,
Shakespeare.
pero ¿quién más que hizo Shakespeare,
Hey, Romeo and Juliet.
Macbeth, Hamlet. Oh my god, guys!
Leonardo DiCaprio movies.
Hey, all the
Titanic.
Pretty much.
But it's not. It's not.
That's Chris's fault. That's Chris's fault.
That was crazy.
Come on, guys.
She mentioned Leonardo, and I went straight to
Those-
Titanic, man. So I wasn't even thinking about Shakespeare. It's
Hamlet, Macbeth, and Romeo and Juliet. You cannot forget those. Those are those three iconic plays that everyone knows. Come on, guys.
Shakespeare at that point. Yeah, to be
Okay.
honest, that's
Romeo
all
and
we know.
Juliet. Yeah,
That's a tough question. Taming of the
Wow,
Shrew,
you got-
Hamlet,
You got it.
You
You got
it.
it.
Damn.
Taming of the
What you
Shrew.
do about nothing?
Wait, go back. Which one again?
Taming of the Shrew, is it right? Taming of the Shrew. You know,
Yeah, Taming of the
have you
Shrew is
guys seen the movie 10 Things I Hate About? No.
Oh,
No.
I've seen that one though.
Yeah, 10 Things I Hate About You.
10
Yeah.
things I had.
That
about
I
movie-
think I have watched it.
That movie is
It's based-
based off the play Taming of the Shrew.
Oh wow.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Wow, you got us there.
Yeah,
You got it
right.
It's
pretty
okay.
good, yeah.
It's all right. I hope all the Shakespearean fans out there don't come for you guys.
Look, man.
Oh, they'd be them Shakespeareans would be fine.
All right, here we go. I like this question. Has anyone, or we'll ask around, CNCO ever shared
Mhm.
a toothbrush with their girlfriend or partner or each other? Have you guys ever shared a toothbrush? Ever been like, fuck it, I need to clean my teeth?
Yes.
I have.
Yes,
Okay.
I have.
Yeah, my
I'll
brother.
be-
I just share a gum one day.
Gum?
Yeah,
Huh?
gum too.
What's gross? I would rather share a toothbrush than gum.
Yeah.
There you go.
Really?
What's nasty? What's nasty?
I
But
think both
yeah.
are pretty
Yeah,
like,
both
heavy.
are pretty
Yeah,
heavy.
they're both
heavy,
heavy.
yeah.
your face.
Yeah. But not fully.
Zap,
It's like
yeah.
like you just like the tip, like half.
Like the flavor
you know?
was still there.
No, it's not. It wasn't even chewed type. Like
Ah.
I just had it in my mouth. She asked like right when I put it on, so like I just took half out.
Oh, I thought it was Zabdiel. It was Richard. Oh,
So it wasn't
okay.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, I do that all the time.
No,
Yeah,
when
with
I
no
take
flavor,
it,
with
that
no flavor.
when I take it, that gum doesn't have.
Did he have
and hard, and hard.
That happens a lot in the club, bro. That happens a lot in the club.
I mean, he did say he likes savory.
Oh my god, this is so
This
fun.
is a no judgment
yo.
zone. We're not
Yeah,
judging.
dude.
I'm judging.
We
That's
appreciate
so
your
good.
honesty. We can't ask people to be honest and real and then shame them for being
They
honest
can
and
be
real.
honest and
you're
real.
right.
I
I'm
can
not-
be
Tell him.
I'm not judging, but I'm looking.
It is though. It is.
This,
The gum,
this is
the gum
nice
I don't
interview.
get because like most gum's only good for like 3 minutes anyway.
Yeah.
All right. This is a little personal.
Okay.
Does CNCO how can I change this a little? Do you guys have you ever carried a condom around with you just in case?
Always.
Yeah. All the
Yeah,
wait.
so you guys is there a condom in the room?
No. I don't. I didn't. I didn't bring my wallet.
bag.
I didn't bring my wallet today, but
No, but yeah.
just in case.
We are advocates of safe sex. So
Exactly.
well
Sure.
done.
Exactly.
Well done.
Of course, always.
always important.
Always.
Condom and
Scary
loops.
one.
Protect yourself.
Safety first.
Safety protect.
Are you guys currently what is there like a show you guys are binging right now? Are you guys binging a show?
Yeah.
What do you,
Okay, what am I binging right now? I'm rewatching Prison Break. I just finished my reaction videos to Young Royals, which I need to upload to this channel, and I just finished binge watching season 1 to 10 of Walking Dead.
you guys binging?
Outer Bank.
Outer Banks.
Outer
Yeah.
Banks.
I love
okay.
Outer Bank.
Never heard of that.
I really like. Well, I like anime in general.
Oh, me too.
I like anime. I like this series that you said it. You recommended to me.
Which one?
I know, and it wasn't you. My bad. It was her personal manager, the one that supposedly flies in time.
Manifest.
Manifest.
I
Oh,
Manifest.
Manifest. Yeah,
Manifest,
I
yeah.
have my friend Jimmy is like detective on the show.
Exactly.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
yeah.
amazing. Yeah. That's good
Yeah.
shit. I just started watching it the first, but I
Let me see what it is. 'Cause it's
Awesome.
like I
All right, final question. Is anyone in this room double jointed?
double jointed.
What's mean?
What's
What's
double
mean?
You know, people that just like bend their elbows, I don't know,
no.
flexible, or do some weird shit with their.
I think that the guy who left the
Yeah.
group.
I watched season 1 of Manifest and I didn't I don't care to go to season 2.
Yeah, he was.
He used
very-
to-
he used to lick his.
Yeah, he's, but
Yeah.
You know,
for
That's why he's out. Yeah.
yeah, we lost a man. On
Yeah.
yeah.
Man down. Lost one on the field.
They just like bend their elbows. I
Oh,
don't know,
no.
flexible. or do
Let me
some
hear the
weird
shade.
Shit with their.
I think that the guy who left the
Yeah.
group.
Yeah, he was.
He used
very-
to-
he used to lick his.
Yeah, he's, but
Yeah.
You know,
for
That's why he's out. Yeah.
yeah, we lost a
Shit.
man. On
Yeah.
the man down.
Okay, so I get it now because I did read a comment about someone stating that they were shading Joel, but they're not stating Joel. English is a second language to this group, and if he didn't say the guy who left the group, majority of people who was watching this may or may not know who Joel was if they wasn't a fan of CNCO. So I didn't get the shade that these people talk about. This is the reason why I don't care too much about the internet, because a lot of depressors and miserable people is on the internet, and that's how I say it. But this was a CNCO Do You Know Me special on this podcast. I really do like it. I think it was very fun. It seemed very personable, and as always, I do love to see some Zapdiel. So whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can you besides you? I really do appreciate it.